I want to show you how I protect my banana plants during the winter to make sure they come back in extreme cold climates like Michigan. The frost is hit, it hasn't got too cold, definitely cold enough to take out the banana plants, so it's telling me it is time to cut this thing back and add some extra protection to make sure it comes back next year. You can see here my banana has several stalks coming up, so we're going to take care of all these. First step, I'm going to come through, I'm going to defoliate this entire plant, starting with these big leaves here. I'm going to cut all these off. And these, I'm just taking them, throwing them right on the ground, because these are going to feed my banana plant over the winter and next spring. And there she is. Now the goal here is to cut these banana plants about 6 inches from the ground. You could go lower. There's really no good reason to. So instead of making one big cut, I am going to use these stalks here to also mulch and fertilize this plant. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it into sections, dropping these pieces right at the base. Kind of sad to chop the banana down, but it will return. Now to protect the banana plant, we need to add a thick mulch here that's going to stop the heavy frost from freezing this ground and killing the root system. The root system is going to survive and a new plant's going to come back next year. These cold hardy bananas are herbaceous perennials. So to keep things organized as far as the mulch goes, I like this 2x4 welded wire. So I'm going to go ahead and take this. I'm going to put this dead center over this banana plant. And here's one of my favorites to mulch it. It's just leaves. You can find leaves falling from trees in the fall. So you need a layer that's about a foot thick to make this work. The thing with the leaves is when the snow comes and the rain comes, they start matting down. So you're gonna want to fill this up pretty heavy with leaves. If you're having any doubts, the solution is really simple. Add more leaves. The next ingredient I like to add is just some arborist wood chips. We don't need to go crazy here. We're just adding these to the top here. Kind of weigh these leaves down a little bit, hold them in place. And wood chips are also a very good insulator. Then I like to take some of these chips and put them on the outside. That's going to help keep the ring in place. And a lot of this root system that's coming out this way from the plant, it's also going to help protect those. So here we got a nice solid structure, everything's held in place. This is going to be enough in most circumstances to protect your hardy banana plant. We've had some temperatures lower than 20 below 0 Fahrenheit here, and the banana has come back just doing this. Now some people use stuff like burlap, but I think even with something like burlap, you're going to want a little extra protection, and leaves and wood chips are free. So protecting your cold hardy banana plant in the wintertime and cold climates, that's it. Thanks for watching.